Perion Network had a phenomenal third quarter ending September. The company posted revenues that were up 45%. That was driven by display advertising, which was up 82%, and earnings per share ended up being up 90% to 40 cents a share. It was a truly phenomenal quarter. The company's stock surged on the news and the improvement in guidance for the remainder of the year, and actually touched 30 right after the quarter. With the stock market being generally weak for high-flying stocks, the stock has backed off to around 24.5 today. The company's impressive performance during the quarter was very unique in the digital advertising area, in that Apple had changed its privacy rules, making advertising more difficult for a lot of people in that area, and also changes in cookies is tightening up the area for using cookies to target advertising purposes. Somehow or another, it looks like Perion is actually taking advantage of this and actually a beneficiary of these changes. The fact that they use their own proprietary technology for delivery and building networks, and they're using machine learning to decide on how to deliver the advertisements. All of these things seem to be adding up to making Perion a winner even in a difficult environment. We believe this stock is going to continue to grow, probably not at 45% a year over the foreseeable future, but we think it is going to be in the 20-25% neighborhood for the foreseeable future, given their advantages in technology. The digital advertising world is subject to a lot of risk. Things change dramatically as Google and Apple and other people change the rules for delivering ads on their networks. This is a risk to Perion. The other big risk is that they do have a reselling agreement with Bing, where they do participate in some of the revenues from that network. So there are some risks out here, but over the near term, this stock looks very inexpensive given the high growth and the phenomenal quarter that it just posted. It is strictly pulled back with market sentiment, not anything to do with the company. We're looking for earnings to be up dramatically this year, and then post something in the neighborhood of $1.50, $1.60 for next year, and $1.80, $1.90 for 2023. So with those sort of earnings estimates coming out, and the stock still having very strong revenue and earnings momentum, we feel that the stock could easily trade over 30 by the end of next year, and could possibly be approaching the $40 level by the end of 2022. We think this is attractive for a higher risk, growth-oriented investor. Once again, we do not know your particular situation, so this is not an investment recommendation. This is merely something I own in my own portfolio that you should consider and evaluate. Please see our full disclaimers on buildingbenjamins.com, and we also have a full written report on Perion on buildingbenjamins.com. We hope you find this information helpful, and we hope you have a great day. Thank you very much.